Pete, I presume.
Listen, I'm here to fix your sink.
Glad to hear that. I'm not gonna be around, I gotta leave. I just gotta let you know. The bathroom,
Yes.
haunted.
Haunted?
Haunted.
Ghosts?
Spooky ghosts. Spooky
No,
ghosts.
there's no such thing as ghosts. Listen.
That's what my friends tell me.
Listen.
And my psychiatrist.
Listen.
But I'm telling you, there's a bathroom.
Listen.
Ghost. Spooky.
In my country, no, the ghosts, if the light is on, they're not gonna come out. I know this. You go, I fix, you go, okay? Listen.
I hope you're right.
Listen.
I hope you're right. I normally
go.
do my business with the lights off, so that
Listen, I know ghosts, okay?
you know. All right.
I know.
Well, the bathroom is right around the corner, my friends.
Okay.
I'll be back in about 30 minutes.
Thank you, sir. Go. Oh, come on. Enough work. It is lunchtime. I hope yesterday's hot dogs are still good. Oh, this smells like old plumbing. It's okay, I need you anyway. So good. What the heck? The water is running. Hey, this place needs a plumber, eh? Oh, these hot dogs suck. What the heck?
Get out of my bathroom.
Listen, I'm sorry, my friend. I have to use the bathroom.
I can't get out.